Belly, the one-stop shop for all essentials like snacks, beverages, grocery items, packaged food, cosmetics, stationery, fresh and organic fruits and vegetables, meat, household goods, toiletries and many more. Leave your kids at the playpen while you shop for all your household needs, all at a reasonable rate. Hurry, visit Jolly Belly Supermarket for ready discounts and offers. Step into the store and leave happy. For details, contact Jolly Belly below Mikado Restaurant, Police Bazaar at 7005-668657 and 98630-60336. As a mark of expression of solidarity with the people of Nagaland with regards to the recent incident which had taken place on the 4th of December 2021 in Mon District of Nagaland, members of the Northeast Students Organization, along with other pressure groups of the state and members of the general public, had staged a candlelight demonstration in the city on Thursday, 9th December 2021. People were seen holding placards and banners written against the horrific act and against imposition of the Armed Forces Special Powers Act. Addressing the gathering, the chairman of NESO, Samuel Jirwa, while condemning the incident, termed the act as barbaric. Moreover, he added that the unfortunate incident has brought back bitter moments of which the people of Nagaland had suffered since the 1950s. He also reminded the people that AFSPA, or the Armed Forces Special Powers Act, is not enacted in the Parliament of India but instead by the colonial rulers or the British in August 1942 to suppress the Quit India movement. Further, he said that this shows the attitude of the Government of India towards the people of the northeastern region of the country.
To express in strongest terms our protests against the security forces who on that fateful day on the 4th of December have perpetrated a heinous crime, a barbaric act towards the villagers of Oting in the Mon District of Nagaland, which resulted to the death of 14 villagers and injuries to many others. Well, brothers and sisters, this is not a one-off incident that happened in Nagaland. This particular incident has brought back bitter memories of the past that the government of India, this portrays the mindset and attitude of the government of India that they have towards the people of the northeastern region. Is it because that we are different in looks and features? We eat differently, our language is different, our culture is different. And also is it because that the indigenous people of the northeastern region have been demanding for their rights, for their protection from any internal and external aggression right from the time when India has got its independence. We should know that this was not an Indian act created by the Parliament of India. This AFSPA was imposed first by the colonial rulers of the time, the British, in August of 1942 to suppress the Quit India movement. And after India attained its independence, in which the people of Northeast have also fought for the independence from the British.
Speaking on similar lines, the president of the Naga Students' Union, Shillong, condemned the act while reacting to the reply of the Assam Rifles that it was a case of mistaken identity. He further added that the people will fight till justice is duly delivered and at the same time urged upon the central government to revoke the act as northeastern people are a peace-loving kind.
And I'm happy to see our Kasi Students' Union and students' body and different organizations in the north stands with us today. The barbaric incident which took place at Otin village under Mon District, Nagaland, where 14 of our innocent brothers were being killed. We, the Naga Students' Union Shillong, in its highest term condemn such barbaric, inhuman killing of our Naga brothers. On the 4th of December, the innocent villagers were returning back to their respective home after a hard work day, where the Indian armed force ambushed and murdered those innocent unarmed civilians mercilessly during the broad daylight, and stating that it was a mistaken identity. How could the Indian armed force make such mistake? How shameless can they be, calling themselves as security special force? Our life is not a game. We don't have an extra life. This barbaric incident is a big discouragement to the people of the Nagas and to the people of the Northeast. This we will not tolerate, and this nobody will tolerate at any cost. The responsible Indian Armed Force personnel has to be brought to justice. We will fight until justice is served, and we will fight until justice is prevailed. And over the past years, we have suffered enough by the Indian Armed Force. The army itself should be part of the solution, but instead, they have become a part of the problem. We want peace. We want to live in peace. As everyone has said, we are peace-loving people. But until we are free, we can't live in peace. Therefore, today we demand the central government to revoke the draconian law, so-called Armed Forces Act, Special Power Act. And today, the Naga people as a whole, with the support of the Northeast brothers and sisters, we stand firm, united with our Connect brothers and sisters. We will fight together with you till the end. And on behalf of the Naga students in Inchlo, I express my deepest condolence to the bereaved family and wish the injured person a speedy recovery. May the departed soul of our brothers rest in eternal peace. And may God be with us during this darkest day. Huwag naling.